they don't know the difference between Kevin Taylor and NDC. When you address him, they think you are addressing NDC.
Oh, sir.
See, there's a difference between NDC and the mistake of Kevin Taylor. Me say, NDC for say, Omu Babecha alawanim.
Yeah.
No more be no koji loan. Na alawano ni loan dey na be nyes kane kese. Enye loan no.
Yeah.
Loan na beboa. Inti me boa mo say yes, this good initiative. I beboa mine no. Ono ba be address nurses no. O say be ye jantrafo na nurse fo ni bi kwa bi provision store wo fie. No mo gimi ye mo alawana no mo de akofa niema e de gu provision shop nim. Simple common sense.
Adams Janya Alale Edin message about. Also, this is the reason Ghana will be difficult for a leader to have a speedy development because of the hypocrisy and self ego. Avraham is all over against NDC government simply because he has a fight with someone supporting NDC. A man who has over 8 children with different women who never live with a woman and still living single with his children spread everywhere like chickens is an irresponsible man and has no right to talk about the relationship. Okay, so that is what you have sent over here. And to Adams Alale, we want to say a big thank you. Yeah, that's it. Adams Alale, se can't say, I say, unu bia.
Semina meka we about with all due respect me and anka meka we afọ obi ho a ka obe ka ate me baba me address
anka me ka ate
unim
but the message
we don't hate when we say and that there I hate NDC because NDC is in power.
Was it because somebody was it
or the Kevin Taylor? I don't fight with Kevin Taylor. My problem with Kevin Taylor he's not truthful, he's not honest, he tarnishes people's image. And then one friend and another kwambedi ako. Offering another kwambedi ako kronfo nyina. Ana wante.
I know the answer I'm for.
Let us address the issue. But what's your friend say?
Your friend Adams
Alale. Yeah, Adams Alale. Yeah, I mean Adams. My men throw a few nyansa bi.
Uchende.
They were throwing in Amagiatum. I made a mistake in my life.
Mistake, man.
Or there be you're trying no, my engine tum. Me warrant them. To me, ye mistakes. Me relationship mu. Now, obi a wafa relationship why you mistake no or not the right position to advise the youth that are coming. Enti me kwasi ade a me ye mistake am ye in the past.
Me no refer to a man who has over 8 children.
Now
you can come in.
Oh, that be very good. Good. No. I am proud of my kids. Ebi kura ono kura wachro no ebi kura ne papa wo nkura ne bia wanye dem ka atma say I'm proud of my children me yomu a me ware ntem because now I have the mentality
because
yes obi wo efie baako 6 ebe ka say wa ya de obi wo cars baako 8 wa ya de e bi entina emma me de nipa abawiase ne ma wo nkoda baako se 10 kura osim yakwasi ampanyiri Abra will be jina and Mountain says but there are people that they just don't like me because of
I understand.
Because of religion side but so ye Christo ni onkremoni omomu gidie ne say ewrade nhira ene mmofra so what must it dey make na ne say memma will be in nka wo say somebody wasn't successful in life enti oni hu kwan so tuofo Debbie, obi a 1 year successful no. Onu no ni mistakes ya or ye yenti a 1 year successful. Onu no what the right position to advise you. Between obi a waye armed robber da. Any obi a onye onbo krono da, onye armed robber da. Why ene what says? Na fansa de oye armed robber no. Ye releasing a free jail. Any obi a onko jail da. Me pa chewo, you organize a seminar. Now you probably be advising the youth on the consequence of armed robbery.
The alcohol jail.
Yes, indeed. Okay. A smart person is somebody who listens to people, learn from their mistakes so that you will not repeat the same mistake.
Me da se. What's Kevin Taylor the wiring?
Oh, Kevin.
On your ring.
Oh, they don't know the difference between Kevin Taylor and NDC. When you address him, they think you are addressing NDC.
Oh, sir.
See, there's a difference between NDC and the mistake of Kevin Taylor. Me say NDC for say omu ba betwa alawanim.
Yeah.
No ma be ye no koji loan. Na alawano ni loan de na be nya skare kese. Enye loan no.
Yeah.
Loan no na be boa. Inti me boa mo say yes, this good initiative. I be boa man no. Ono ba be address nurses no. O say be ye jantrafo na nurse fo ni bi kwa bi provision store wo fie. No mo gimi ye mo alawana no mo de akofa niema e de good provision shop nim. Simple common sense. Me ye nurse ni ahuchirenti me ye ejuma me because a smart move me be a provision shop yama me alawa de me de alawa ne beto aduane adi ene de me invest wo provision shop nim na multiply na de ahwe me ho de na kire nyansa who the nurse for yatema from jantra fo nyina enti me kire mo say NDC initiative is perfect, but the way he communicated it to the nurses will make them angry.
Common sense. Hey, Avraham Ben Moshe. Catch us when you tell for the say, "Omo like your page, no follow your page, you know." And SOMPA 106.5. Catch your almost here. Catch your omo like your page, no follow your page.
Yeah, for yes, Ramo. Social media for no like your page, you know. Now. Moshe my why?
No,
Moshe my.
Yeah, a new page, oh. You know, it was a new page.
Okay.
It's a promoted page, and so tell them to like our page, tell them to comment, tell them to share the page for us.
Yeah. And I will share swa. Jaw comment. Ebe kan you comment ready amount. Na comment. Ebi view say be abe 5k 6k na obi ahwe bibi ha no but one tro anti won send this here ba ye no e comment kora na the start show
sure
nti benya one day aye ba only comment no na ba be discussing yes wrong
now Avraham sir obao ana bema wako relationship mu is it good pa say oba wa ware and now I call into a serious relationship. Wobene or ex et heading come pa.
Hey, sadly, a problem. A problem.